Energy Management System (EMS). What is an energy management system? An EMS is a technology driven solution that monitors, controls, and optimizes energy usage in buildings, industries, and even homes. Think of it as the brain behind energy efficiency. It collects data, analyzes patterns, and makes smart decisions to reduce waste and save costs. How does an EMS work? An EMS works in three simple steps. Number one, data collection. Sensors and meters gather real time data on energy consumption. Example, monitoring electricity usage in a commercial building. Number two, analysis. The system analyzes the data to identify inefficiencies and trends. Example, detecting peak energy usage hours. Third, optimization. The system automates adjustments to reduce energy waste. Example, turning off lights or adjusting HVAC systems during non-peak hours. Benefits of an energy management system. Number one, cost savings. Reduce energy bills by up to 30% during optimized usage. Number two, sustainability. Lower your carbon footprint and contribute to a greener planet. Number three, compliance. Meet global energy relations and standards effortlessly. Improved efficiency. Enhance the performance of your equipment and systems. Real-time monitoring. Stay in control with live data and alerts. Real-world application of EMS. Let's look at how EMS is being used globally. Smart cities. Cities like Singapore, Copenhagen uses EMS to manage street lighting, traffic systems, and public buildings. Industries. Factories use EMS to monitor machinery and reduce energy waste. Homes. Smart homes use EMS to control lighting, heating, and appliances for maximum efficiency. How to implement an EMS? Assess your needs. Identify areas where energy is being wasted. Choose the right system. Select an EMS that fits your budget and requirements. Install sensors and meters. Set up devices to collect energy data. Train your team. Ensure everyone knows how to use the system effectively. Monitor and improve. Continuously analyze data and make adjustments. Energy management systems are more than just a tool. They are a step towards a sustainable future. By optimizing energy usage, we can save costs, protect the planet, and create smarter, more efficient spaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on sustainability and innovation. And let me know in the comments, how are you managing energy in your home or workplace? Thanks for watching, and remember, every watt saved makes a difference. That would be all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye for now.